Hey, I got this PROGEN 5000 Coleman Powermate portable electric generator, and got my pull start broken on it, so yanked it right off of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that out. So I'm gonna loosen all these bolts around here. I got 1, 2, 3, got 4 bolts. Go ahead and get these babies loose. 30 seconds. Not under too tight, that's kind of nice. Okay, go ahead and get all those off. I'm just gonna pull this old rope off of here. I'm gonna try to see it's all spring loaded. So it should be good to go. Let's pull that knot out of there. I'm gonna measure this up too so I can make my new one the same length approximately. Okay, I'm using this paracord. It's 550 cord, not real stuff, but it's like Walmart or Harbor Freight. But I've used this quite a bit. Anyway, I've left it a little bit longer right there, just approximate, just getting it close, because I got a knot to tie there and a knot to tie on that end, so I left myself a little bit extra. Just for now, I'm gonna so I don't have to snake it down through there. I'm just gonna come in through the side and then pull it out there. So I just tie my knot here. Cut off my excess. Okay, I got that end clipped. I'm gonna pull this up here. I'm on the inside. Okay, so I just wound this thing this way, clockwise. There we go. Yeah, might hang down a little bit, but you can always shorten it up here, and that's what I'll do. I'll shorten that up. Okay, time to shorten this baby up. There we go. Perfect. That's what we want.